The determinant of individual demands are the price of a commodity, price of related goods, income of the consumer, expectation of change in price in future, taste and preference. And determinants of market demands, 5 are same. Price of a commodity, price of related goods, income of the consumer, expectation of change in price in future, taste and preference. Here 3 are more. 6 is size and composition of a population, season and weather, and the distribution of income. Now, next point is change in quantity demanded versus change in demand. What is the difference between change in quantity demanded and change in demand? Change in quantity demanded means whenever demand for given commodity change due to change in its own price. Due to change its own price, then such changes of demand is known as change in quantity demand. And change in demand means whenever demand for given commodities change due to factor other than the price. Here, if price is changed, that is known as change in quantity demanded. If other factor is changed, that is known as change in demand. Then such change is known as change in demand. Now, you have to identify the following as change in quantity demanded or change in demand. The first point is people buy more ice cream during summer than during winter. Is it change in demand or change in quantity demanded? Here they are not talking about the price. People buy more ice cream during summer than during winter. Here we are talking about the season and weather. Season and weather is a other factor, so it is known as change in demand. Change in demand. Second point, consumer income is another factor. We know there are so many factors which is affected to the demand. Demand affected by the price, income, related goods price, taste, size of a population. So many factors are affected. This is the price of own commodity. Rest of the factors is considered as the other factor. Consumer income falls. Income is the other factor. If there is change in other factor except the price, that is known as change in demand. So this is also known as change in demand. Now, third point, LG reduced the price of its TV set by 10%. LG reduced the price. Price is affected to the demand. This is known as change in demand. Due to change in price, sale is increased. So this is known as change in quantity demanded. Fourth is a college raised its tuition fee. As a result, the number of students enrollment falls. Tuition fee is like a price of college for college. So as the tuition fees increase, the number of enrolled students is fall. So it is also considered as change in quantity demanded. So you know what is the difference between change in demand and the change in quantity demanded. Change in demand means when own price of a commodity is changed, that is known as change in demand, and change in quantity demanded means when own price of a commodity is changed, that is known as change in quantity demanded, and change in demand means other than the price, if there is change in other factors, that is known as change in demand. So this is the difference between change in demand and the change in quantity demanded. Now the next point is demand function. What is the meaning of demand function? That is the relationship between the quantity demanded for a particular commodity and other factor which is influencing your demand. That is known as demand function. It may be individual demand function or it may be a market demand function. When we are talking about the individual demand function means the functional relationship between the individual demand and the factor which is affected to the individual demand. It means quantity demanded which is you are taking and the factor is affected to the demand. Here dx is a function of px, pr, y, t and f. What is the meaning of this equation? Dx is a demand for x commodity. We are demanding of x commodity. Here we are talking about individual demand. This is a demand and the factor affecting these are the factor which is affected to the individual demand. The first factor is Px. Px means price of a given commodity. PR means price of a related goods. Y, income of the consumer. T, taste and preference. F, expectation of change in price in future. Already we have to discuss all these points in the determinants of demand or factor affecting the demand. So this is our individual demand function. Now we are talking about the market demand function. Demand function has two types. One is the individual demand function and second is the market demand function. It refers to the functional relationship between the market demand and factor affecting the market demand. Factor affecting the market demand. These factors are price, PR, Y, T, F, PO, S, D. These factors are same as in individual demand dx, px, pr, y, t and f. Three more factors which is affected to the market demand, that is size and composition of the population, season and weather and the distribution of income. So this is a functional relationship between the market demand and factors. Which factors is affected to the demand? This is known as functional relationship. The functional relationship means it is a relationship between the demand and the other factor.